This Hisense 8000 BTU smart inverter window air conditioner cools rooms up to 350 square feet with energy-efficient performance. Featuring ultra-quiet operation around 41 decibels, Wi-Fi control, multiple modes, and a washable filter, it ensures consistent, convenient, and low-noise cooling for everyday comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient cooling performance. This 8000 BTU window air conditioner cools rooms up to 350 square feet with 700 watts of power. It delivers strong, consistent cooling, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and medium-sized living spaces. Number 2. Balanced airflow and multiple modes. Features 4-way air direction, 3 fan speeds, and modes including cool, fan, dry, and eco. Ensures even airflow distribution and customizable comfort throughout the room. Number 3. Smart Wi-Fi control. Compatible with the ConnectLife app, allowing remote control and smart adjustments. Easily manage temperature and settings from your smartphone for added convenience. Number 4. Ultra slim design and easy installation. Sleek profile maintains room aesthetics while providing powerful cooling. Includes a secure installation bracket for stable and hassle-free setup in standard windows. Number 5. Low maintenance and comfort features. Includes a washable filter with clean alert, sleep mode for quiet nights, and efficient dehumidification. Designed for easy upkeep and reliable everyday performance. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.